Hi, man. Same, man. So, Jack, man, I want you guys to look at this burger. Man, this looks so messed up, bro. It doesn't look appetizing. Just look at that. McDonald's, what are you doing? Let me see what this burger is called. So what I did, I bought like one cheeseburger, a chicken. Oh, this is a chicken burger. It is a chicken burger. Just your simple chicken burger. So I bought these share box because it was cheaper than me buying these things one. Anyways, I have to review them one. Either ways, I want to review everything. So I have to, let's see how it's looking on the app. Then we're gonna review it and see how it tastes. But it doesn't look appetizing at all, bro. It doesn't look appetizing. So here it is. Look at that, man. You know? I mean, we always talk about these things never look, you know, but here it is. And then compare that with that. Doesn't look. Oh, look how many calories! 284 for this. 284 calories for this. But yeah, anyways, let's review it, bro. The patty, it looks dry. Just look at that. It looks dry. I don't want to lie, bro. And then it has some grated lettuce. Lettuce doesn't look fresh, bro. It doesn't look fresh at all. I don't know what McDonald's was doing, bro. It doesn't look fresh. But we're gonna review it and see how it tastes, bro. Otherwise, I'm super not looking forward to this. It is not dry, right? It is not dry, but it lacks flavor. It lacks flavor. I wish they could have, I don't know what they could have done. The buns are super fresh. McDonald's buns are super always. It's like I'm biting into a marshmallow or something. Or a donut. But flavor wise, nah. I can taste the patty though. The patty, I don't know, bro. It's just. How do I put this? When you bite into the burger, right? And then you chew. Naturally, you're supposed to taste something. But what I'm realizing when I bite, I chew, I do not taste anything. But soon as I'm about to swallow, then there's a flavor. There's some flavor. I don't know how to say it, but there's some flavor. So it is just, nah. The mayonnaise they used over this. Nah, the mayonnaise. Nah, man, they could have used another mayonnaise. But it is not dry though. That's what I love about it. It is not dry. But I wouldn't buy this again. Damn, McDonald's, man. What are you guys doing to me? I had so much hope, man, when I was buying McDonald's. I thought, yo, because I bought this box. As I showed you, I bought this share box. It looks, when you look at the picture over here, it looks so amazing. You're like, damn, this is gonna be amazing. But nah, it wasn't at all. It wasn't at all. This lacked flavor, man. Nah. I'd give this a 1, bro. No cap. I'd give this a 1 because it is not dry. Simple as that. But otherwise, nah, man. Nah.